dinner.
We just had lunch.
No.
I need you to clean this room.
Hungry for dinner, Daddy.
We just ate. God, you always, I swear to God, you're always hungry. Clean your room, Leland. Hey, Leanna. Leanna, you gotta clean your room. Come on.
Nice try.
Hey, come on. You're the good kid. You need to stay as the good kid. Your behavior lately, you're upsetting a lot of people on YouTube.
Why? It's because I'm not having too much fun.
Yeah, don't be a brat like Leland. You're too sweet of a girl.
Fine. Whatever.
Now, go clean your room like a good girl.
Where are you going?
Leland, what are you doing? What are you doing in my suitcase? What are you doing? What is he doing, Leanna? What is he doing?
I think he's going out of the house for now.
Leland, what are you doing?
He's run away.
Leland, what are you doing?
I don't care.
Leland! I think he's running away. Are you running away from home? What? Did he just push you?
Yeah, he pushed it in my hand.
Leland, get back over here. Here, come on. I think he's running away. He's being a brat. Let's take a look at your hand.
It's right here.
Can you move it?
Yeah.
Here, okay, yeah, but let's see. Bend your wrist. Yeah, it's not broken. He'll come back. Maybe. Maybe he'll come back, right? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't even see him. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh, he's like way down the street. He's way down the street. No, Leanna, you're gonna get hurt again. Leanna! God, you're gonna just get hurt again. He's way at the end of the street. Where'd he go? Guess we were gonna go chase him all over the neighborhood. Leland! Leland, come back here. He's gonna ruin that suitcase. Hey, where you going? Leland, come back here. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Leland! What is he doing? Leland, get back home. You need to clean your bedroom. Oh, because I told him to clean his bedroom. And he's like scratched up, scraping up the bottom of the suitcase. He's over there. Leland, come back over here. Come over here. Watch out for cars. What were you doing?
Ah!
Hey. Where are you going now? Come on, let's go home. Come on, let's go home.
Ah, pick it up.
God. You've gone crazy, Leanna. Leland, let's go home. Come on. You gotta clean your room, and I gotta fix the fence. You gotta clean your room too. God, this is embarrassing. People are like looking at us like, what the f is people doing? Leland, I'm way too out of shape for this crap. Leanna, take the suitcase home. Leanna. Where are you guys going? Leland, where are you going? Where are you guys going? It's time to go home. Leland, come on. Watch out for cars. You're not even looking for traffic. There's a car coming. You didn't even look. You just ran out in the street. You're destroying the suitcase, you guys. Hey, let's head home now. No, Leanna, come on. Let me have the suitcase. Give me the. No, let me have the suitcase. Let me have the suitcase. Leanna, let go. You're not Kid Temper Tantrum.
No. Hands off. No. No.
Watch out for cars.
No. No. You are not.
Come on, you guys, let's go home. Hey, don't be throwing rocks. Leland, come on.
No.
Oh, Leanna, don't. Leland, come on, don't be throwing rocks in the road. Come on. Leanna, get that out of the road. We don't want anyone to hit that. God, look what he did to the suitcase by dragging it. He kept dragging it. Look what he did to it.
Yeah, I will play with it.
Hey, we gotta take it home. We gotta go home now. What are you doing, Leland? Let's go home now. Leland, just give me the suitcase. Leland, come on. So, I guess both my kids are running away today.
Daddy, help!
Well, let's go home now. Come on, let's go home. Don't run away. Don't try to run away again. Let's go. Leland, this way.
Daddy, why can I have a cleaning with Sarah?
I don't know, when you clean your room and behave. Leland, come on. Leland. Come on. Where are you going? New family? Well, good luck with that. And good luck to the new family. Alright, finally got him home. See, Mommy's all worried too that she is standing at the window the whole time. Hey, whoa. Okay, inside. Leland. Pain in the butt.